To maintain a good health, every human body needs essential elements such as proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, minerals, etc. Without these essential elements, a human body becomes unhealthy.
Oh no! My sales rate are going down.
Sales growth down. Production versus sales down. Monthly product growth down. Marketplace sales down, along with all financial growth, are going down.
Hi Richard, how are you?
I am so-so. Not going good, due to business pressure.
Richard, what happened?
Well Lisa, I am unable to track all my business segments.
Why?
I am failed to centralize my all business department in a single roof.
Okay.
That's why my business are going down, like warehouse, purchase, production, trading, sales, etc.
I understand. Few months before, I have also faced same problem, like you.
Then,
Since then, I am using upgraded new ERP system, named ERP, which manage several departments in a single system. Now, I am very happy. I can track my all business segment, along with purchase, sale, HRMS, finance, profit and loss, etc.
Lisa, how will I get that?
Go to your browser and type www.verp.in, and you can get the demo and every relevant information as per your business needs.
Now my sales rate are growing up. I can centralize my all business department in a single roof. Thanks to VERP.
Good healthy food gives human body healthy life. Same way, VERP gives your business growth. Use VERP packages as a user-friendly ERP for your business.